Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you an AI website that can create your landing page within seconds. The AI in question is called Sitekick Ai, as you can see right over here in the screen. So this is the URL. Now it's an extremely easy way of creating your landing page. So all you have to do is come to this website over here, then click on create a free landing page. All you have to do is just simply add a description about what type of landing page you want and the product name. So let's enter that. After you've completed the process and added your product name and your landing page details, just simply click on generate landing page. Now give it a few seconds, and just like that, within few seconds you just got your own landing page. Now over here everything will be editable, and let's say you don't like any element or you don't like the entire landing page itself, you will always have the option to regenerate a new landing page. Or if you don't like a particular section, you will have the option of changing every single section over here as well. So click on the drop down box and you'll be able to generate a section depending on the part that you want. You can obviously even preview it if you want to. You can add your description right over here. You can also read it and regenerate the articles that are written over here as well. Once you're happy with your landing page over here, you can just simply directly publish it and attach your very own domain, or you can just simply use the web hosting that is given to you by Sitekick themselves. That's it. And thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel. Take care.